The topic is test for consistency type number 3. Already known type number 1, rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 3, then system is unique, consistent, unique solution. Type number 2, rank of AB is not equal to rank of AB, rank of AB is not equal to rank of A, that is rank of AB is equal to 3, rank of A is equal to 2, 2 is not equal to 3, therefore system is consistent and has no solution. Type number 3 is rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 2, which is less than 3. There are 3 unknowns, therefore less than 3, or rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 1, which is less than 3. 3 means number of unknowns. Number of unknowns. The system is consistent. The system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Less than 2, less than 1. Suppose equal to 3, then unique solution. System is consistent, unique solution. In this case, 1. Here 2, which is less than 3. Therefore, system is consistent, infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now, EX number 1.6, test for consistency and if possible solve the following system of equation by rank method. Sum number 1, subdivision number 2. 3x plus y plus z is equal to 2, x minus y 3y plus 2z is equal to 1, 7x minus y plus 4z is equal to 5. 3x plus y plus z is equal to 2, x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 1, 7x minus y plus 4z is equal to 5. First, the matrix equation is the matrix equation is Ax is equal to b other form. Okay, therefore 3 1 1 1 minus 3 2 7 minus 1 4 there are 3 unknowns x y z x y z is equal to constant numbers 2 1 5. Ax is equal to b of the form. Capital A x is equal to b of the form. Now augmented matrices. First, where A is equal to, where capital A is equal to 3 1 1 1 minus 3 2, 7, minus 1, 4. Capital X is 3 cross 1 matrix. Small x, small y, small z. B is again 3 cross 1 matrix. 2, 1, 5. Now we have to take augmented matrix. Augmented matrix AB is equal to 3, 1, 1, 1 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 1, 4, constant column 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, using the row reduction method. First, A1 indices will be 1, A21 0, A31 0, A32 0. How to change? A11 will be 1. The rule is R1 implies and implied by R2. Change R1 into R2. 1 minus 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2. Next 7 minus 1, 4, 5. Interchange first and second row. Okay. Next A 2, 1, 0. 3 into 0. The rule is R2. R2 means new R2 implies old R2 minus 3 into old R1. Multiply first row by 3. Subtract R2 minus R1 or R1 minus R2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 9. 1 minus of minus plus 9 is 10. Next 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Next 1 6, 1 minus 6 is minus 5. And next here 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. First 1 minus 3, 2, 1. Last row 7 minus 1, 4, 5. Next rule is A31 will be 0. 7 into 0. The rule is R3. New R3 implies old R3 minus 7 R1. Old R3 minus 7 R1. So 1 minus 3, 2, 1. Next 0, 10, minus 5, minus 1. Multiply 7 by first row. 7 minus 21, 14, 7. Subtract third row minus first row, or subtract first row from third row. We get 7 minus 7 is 0. Next 7 3 star minus 21, minus 21 minus 1 minus 21, minus of minus plus 21, so 20. Multiply 7 minus 21 minus 1 minus of minus 21, that is minus of minus positive 20 positive 21, so minus 1 positive 21 is plus 20. Next 14 4 minus 14 is 14, 4 minus 14 minus 10. Next 7, 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Now change 20 into 0. 20 into 0. The rule is R3 new R3 implies old R3 minus 2 into old R2. Multiply second row by 2, 0, 20, minus 10, minus 2. Subtract second row from third row, we get 1, minus 3, 2, 1, 0, 10, minus 5, minus 1. Next 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 20, 20 minus 20 is again 0. Here minus 10, minus 10, minus of minus plus 10, 0. Next minus 2, minus 2, minus of minus 2, so minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Now last row fully 0. Now rank of A. Rank of A means first take 3 cross 3. Number of non-zero rows 2. Therefore rank of A is 2. Why? The reason is 1 minus 3 2, 0 10 minus 5, 0 0 0. The last row all are 0. Number of non-zero rows 2, 1 2. Therefore rank of A is 2. Next rank of AB is equal to again 2. Why? First 1 minus 3 2 1 non-zero row. Next 0 10 minus 5 minus 1 again non-zero row. Third row 0 0 0 0. So number of non-zero rows 2. Rank of the matrix A is equal to rank of the matrix AB is equal to 2. Rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to 2. But number of unknowns x, y, z, therefore 3, which is less than 3. Number of unknowns. Number of unknowns. So rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to 2. The system is consistent. The system is consistent. And has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. How to find infinitely many solution? First put this can be split into 2 equations first. This last row rank method gives 2 equations. One is x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 1. Another one is y minus 5z is equal to minus 1. So First, the last equivalent matrix is in the form of echelon. The two equations are x minus 3y plus 2 plus 2z is equal to 1. Next, 10y minus 5z is equal to minus 1. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Put, there are two equations but 3 unknowns. How to solve the problem? Put z is equal to t. T is an element of real number set. Okay. So equation number 2 becomes 10y minus 5t is equal to minus 1. 10y is equal to 5t minus 1. Y is equal to 5t minus 1 divided by 10. Divided by 10. Okay. Y is 5t minus 1 divided by 10. Equation number 1 becomes x minus 3 into 5t minus 1 divided by 10 plus 2z. Z means in this case put z is equal to t. Therefore 2t is equal to 1. X minus 3 5t minus 1 5t minus 1 divided by 10 is equal to 1 minus 2t. X is equal to 1 minus 2t plus 3 5t minus 1 by 10. Take LCM. 1 into 10 is 10 minus 2 tens are 20. 20t plus 3 5s are 15. 15t minus 3 whole divided by 10. Next line. 10 minus 3 is 7. Minus 20t plus 15t is minus 5t divided by 10. X is 7 minus 5t divided by 10. The solution of XYZ is equal to 7 minus 5t by 10 comma 5t minus 1 by 10 comma t. T is an element of real number set. Now we have to find 5 or 4 numbers, solution numbers and dot dot dot. First 7 minus 5t x y z is equal to 7 minus 5t divided by 10 comma 5t minus 1 5t minus 1 divided by 10 comma t. Put t is equal to 0. 0 belongs to real number set. Okay. Therefore x y z is equal to 0. 7 minus 0 is 7 by 10. 7 by 10 comma 0 minus 1 by 10. Here 0. 7 by 10 minus 1 by 10 comma 0 is solution. Put t is equal to 1, xy z is equal to 7 minus 5, so 2 by 10 comma 4 by 10 comma 1. This means 1 by 5 comma 2 by 5 comma 1. Put t is equal to 2, x y z is equal to, put t is equal to 7 minus 10 minus 3 by 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 by 10. 2. Put t is equal to 3, x comma y comma z is equal to, apply 3 15, 7 minus 15 is minus 8 by 10, minus 8 divided by 10 comma 15 minus 1, 15 minus 1 is 14, 14 by 10. Next 3 dot dot dot. The solutions are A or E. First is put t is equal to 0 போடலாம், 7 by 10 comma minus 1 by 10 0. Second solution minus 1 by 5, no, positive 1 by 5, 1 by 5 2 by 5 comma 1. Next minus 3 by 10, 9 by 10 2 comma minus 8 by 10, 14 by 10 3 dot dot dot. Infinitely many solutions. Okay, we have to take next problem. Px number 1.6. Sum number 1, subdivision number 4. 2x minus y plus z is equal to 6x minus 3y plus 3z is equal to 6, 4x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 4. The same procedure, how to tackle the problem. First, the matrix equation is, the matrix equation is, matrix equation is Ax is equal to B other form. Okay, therefore 2 minus 1 1, 6 minus 3 positive 3, 4 minus 2 plus 2. There are 3 unknowns x, y, z, relation between x and z. Therefore 3 cross 1 matrix x, y, z, constant column 2 6 4, 2 6 4. Where Ax is equal to B other form, where A is equal to 3 cross 3 matrix, 2 minus 1 1, 6 minus 3 positive 3, 4 minus 2 2. Capital X is x, y, z. A is 3 cross 3 matrix, capital X is 3 cross 1 matrix. Next B. B is again 3 cross 1 matrix, 2 6 4. the augmented matrices. The augmented matrix is AB is equal to combined A and B. 2 minus 1 1 6 minus 3 3 4 minus 2 2 2 6 4. First interchange R1 and R2. We cannot getting the result. Why? Here 2 minus 1 1 2, but here 3 here 4. Therefore the rule is R2 new R2 implies R2 divided by 3. R2 divided by 3. Second row multiplied by 1 by 3 or divided by 3. Okay. Next 2 minus 1 1 2 divide by 3 we get 2 minus 1 positive 1 positive 2. Okay. Next third row here 4 minus 2 2 4. Next process, next rule is R3 implies R3 implies R3 by 2. New R3 implies old R3 by 2. What will happen? 2 here minus 1 1 2, next 2 minus 1 1 2, next 4 divided by 2 is 2 minus 1, next 2 no next 1 1 next 2. Third row divide by 2 we get 2 minus 1 1 2. Now these three rows are same. First row is 2 minus 1 1 2. Second row is 2 minus 1 1 2. Third row is 2 minus 1 1 2. So next rule is R3 new R3 implies R3 minus R1. 2 minus 1 1 2, next 2 minus 1 1 2. Third row 0 0 0 0. Next rule is, in this case first row and second row these two rows are same. Therefore next rule is R2 implies, next rule is R2 new R2 implies old R2 minus old R1. Now this becomes 2 minus 1 1 2 2 minus 1 1 2. Second row 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore the second row becomes 0 0 0 0. Third row 0 0 0 0. Now the last equivalent matrix, the last equivalent matrix is in the form of echelon. Rank of A is equal to, take first 3 cross 3 matrix, 2 minus 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Number of non-zero rows 1. Therefore, rank of the matrix is 3 cross 3. Number of non-zero rows is 1. Therefore, rank of A is equal to 1. Rank of A B is equal to again 1. Why? Take 2 minus 1 1 2 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here number of non-zero rows again only 1. Therefore, rank of A B is equal to 1. Rank of A is equal to rank of A B is equal to 1, which is less than 3. Why? 3 unknowns. 3 unknowns. Now rank of A is equal to rank of A B is equal to 1, which is less than 3. 3 means 3 unknowns. Take first equation, 2x minus y plus z is equal to 2. Put z is equal to t. T is an element of R. Put y is equal to s. The equation number 1 becomes 2x minus s plus t is equal to 2. This means 2x is equal to 2 plus s minus t. X is equal to 1 by 2 bracket 2 plus s minus t. The solution of x, y, z is equal to x is half into 2 plus s minus t. Y is s, z is t. For all s comma t is an element of real number set. Put s is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, x, y, z is equal to s is 1. Therefore, half into bracket s is 1, y is 2, s here t. Okay, t is 2, s is 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, bracket 1, comma 1 comma 2 is equal to s is 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 2. Put s is equal to 2, t is equal to 3, x, y, z is equal to x, y, z is equal to bracket half into here 2 plus 2 4, 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 3 is 1, s is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, comma 2 comma 3 is equal to 1 by 2 comma 2 comma 3. Put S is equal to 3, T is equal to 4, XYZ is equal to XYZ is equal to half into 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 4 is 1, again 1, comma 3 comma 4 is equal to 1 by 2, comma 3 comma 4. Put S equal to 4, T is equal to 5, XYZ is equal to XYZ is equal to 1 by 2 bracket 4 5. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 minus 5 is 1, comma 4 comma 5 is equal to 1 by 2 comma 4 comma 5. The solutions are XYZ is equal to, or the solutions are number 1, first 1 by 2 comma 1 2, next 1 by 2 comma 2 comma 3, next 1 by 2 3 comma 4, next 1 by 2 4 comma 5, dot dot dot. The solutions are infinitely many solutions. Okay, the solutions are infinitely many solutions. S comma T belongs to R. Now homework. Examine the consistency of the following equation. If it consistent, then solve the same. Number 1, x minus 3y minus 8z is equal to minus 10. 3x plus y minus 4z is equal to 0. 2x plus 5y plus 6z is equal to 13. Question number 2, x plus y minus z is equal to 1. 2x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 2. Minus 3x minus 3y plus 3z is equal to minus 3. Try to get correct solution. If any doubt, reply the message. Thank you, children.